Hi, through to Crewe SEAT. This is a quick video tour of this new demonstrator vehicle in our stock. This is the Arona. It's a 20 reg vehicle, and it is the XCELLENCE Lux edition, I believe. This is in metallic paint in grey and comes with the full LED headlights as well as the LED daytime running lights. Got these lovely alloy wheels here, which are the 18-inch alloys, and the black contrast side mirrors and the black contrast roof. So you've got the LED indicators located on the side mirrors. I've got the silver roof rails as well. This is a practically brand new vehicle. It just recently arrived on site. We've got the rear reversing cameras just there, and we've also got the front and rear parking sensors. In the back, got a nice large boot space, plenty of room. The mats, obviously, it's a brand new vehicle, so are still in the wrappers. Got 3 seats in the back and 2 in the front. Got this black leather and pot suede material interior, 3 seats with electric window switches on each door. Got the XCELLENCE steering wheel and the fully digital cockpit as well. Got the white detailed bespoke stitching on the outer side of the vehicle, and we've also got the wireless phone charging system. Got the XCELLENCE function, which is part of the keyless entry and start, and it's a DSG automatic vehicle. Got heated seats, full link DAB navigation, and some more lovely features there as well. If you're interested in this vehicle, please feel free to give us a call or pop over to Crewe SEAT and speak with a member of our sales team. Our direct line is 01270 864 430. Thanks for watching.